Well, hello again, Honda NSX fans in cartoon form. We have another one of these strange shampoo bottle Choro-Qs. Yeah, it's weird. This is actually translated to something shampoo, and this is from 2002, so I'm not going to use this shampoo. I'm sure the chemicals are all messed up inside of there. But it's interesting that a toy company would somehow promote their stuff using shampoo. Anyways, let's get this off. So what inside of this is the facelifted first generation NSX, the NSX-R. Okay. So that goes all in the trash. You know, I might actually use this shampoo to wash my motorcycle or something. Be good for that. And maybe I'll tear through the paint, who knows, but my bike's so old it doesn't matter. Alright, a couple of comparison photos just to show the foreshortening. You'll see it's got those weird bubble headlights here, but they're painted silver on the ChoroQ. If I had to guess, I think this is foreshortened 2 times. Like it's half the length, that is. Nice to see a little paint on the back end as well. But oddly, no sticker on that coin plate. So, it's, well, quite nice actually. This canopy must be a separate plastic piece. I think it's snapping in there. And there, you can see the motor of the spring motor here, the gear, I mean. Well, that's interesting that big, there, it does fin, okay. And then we have some tampo printed text here, which is nice. It's not a decal. I don't think you can run decals on toys, because kids will chew them off. Standard ChoroQ's 5 spokes, I might have to replace those. And then we got the silver and orange turn signal action here. The Honda badge is actually molded, and then it's painted red as well. The separation of the black hood is really well done. No overspray. I'll have to add some paint in there later. And then, yeah, it's weird that this is totally blank. You would think they'd at least write ChoroQ back here. But I guess it's because it's down here. This is HG, maybe it's a high grade version, and it says 2002, so 20 years old now. You notice that, with these plastic toys, plastic is better than die-cast metal. I mean, it's very rare to have paint problems. I think around 1% of my ChoroQs might have a paint problem, and I think that's because plastic's much more stable than die-cast metal. This black wing, I think, is a separate piece here. There's some sort of gap. Interesting. I'm not sure why you would have a gap going down there, but oh, well, it's actually a functional wing. There's actually air passing there, so that's pretty interesting. They would get that there. I don't know if this is a separate wing because it looks like a totally seamless there. I don't think it's separate after all, but that means that's an impressive mold. Whoever designed this mold is really good. I mean, so really impressive. Okay. Yeah. Let me see if I have some better wheels. Hold on a second. Okay, I didn't have any wheels. There's 7 spokes, so I ended up 3D printing my own Type-R wheels. Although I don't have the curvature to the spokes like they do here. Mine is just flat. It's easier printing. No print lines with the different curvatures. Alright, I seem to have started a collection of ChoroQ NSXs, so I think my first one was this guy, and this one has 3D printed wheels as well, but they're 6 spokes. And then what did I get next? I think I got this one next. This has the standard ChoroQ wheels, but I added some black paint to it, and then I think this one was next, which is a Castrol one, just standard ChoroQ all the way around. No paint, no riding stance difference. Just, I liked it the way it was. And then the very last one is this Honda safety one that I got in a set. And again, I have some 3D printed wheels. Those are spoon wheels actually on that one. So I have apparently 5 deformed NSXs now. But most of them are actually, they're all different if you think about it. They all have a different form to them. This casting is different, unique. This casting is unique. This one has a snorkel, that's unique. This one doesn't have the snorkel, and then this obviously has a crazy light bar, but it is the same casting as this one, but it has clear windows. This one has almost black windows. So it's enough variety that I'm cool with having 5 different types of NSXs, or what would you, I guess that's the plural of NSXs, or NSXi? I think it's NSXs. Alright, let's get this guy cruising up a mountain road. Sadly, a chip of this thing fell. I dropped it and it broke. Okay, well, another cool Choro-Q for sure. I like this, white and black livery. That's how I imagine a Type-R NSX, just white. So, works for me. I appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'll see you the next time I get an NSX maybe. Alright, bye.